CONCAT, MAXIFS, MINIFS. CONCAT. The CONCAT is a newly found function in Excel. It is a replacement of the concatenate function in Excel and is observed in the latest Microsoft versions like Office 2019. This inbuilt function in Excel is found on the Formula tab and is identified as a text or string function. This worksheet function chiefly aids in combining texts from several ranges or strings. Further, the concat function allows you to add space characters so as not to form long strings of text, but fails to provide a delimiter for ignoring blank arguments. To apply concat, go to the Formulas tab, Text, Concat. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. Fill in the boxes with texts and click on OK. The concat function gets applied. Alternatively, choose a cell to place your combined data. Type is equal to concat and choose the cell you want to combine first. Add commas, spaces and other texts and use quotation marks to separate the cells you will combine. Finally, enter the formula within brackets and you are all set to obtain a concat function applied data. MAXIFS. Available on the latest Microsoft Office versions, that is Office 2019 and Office 365, MAXIFS is a significant function of Excel that you will find on the formula bar of a worksheet. This function helps you to return the maximum value among cells and is based on certain conditions. MAXIFS can be used on different criteria based on conditions such as text, numbers, date, and so on. To apply MAXIFS, go to the Formulas tab, More Functions, Statistical, MAXIFS. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Fill in the max_range, criteria range 1, and criteria 1, etc. and click OK. This ensures that the MAXIFS function is applied. MINIFS. This function, as the name suggests, returns the minimum value among cells based on a given set of conditions. MINIFS can be used for criteria basis like texts, numbers, and more. To apply MINIFS, go to the Formulas tab, More Functions, Statistical, MINIFS. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Fill in the min_range, criteria range 1 and criteria 1, etc. and click OK. MINIFS function is applied to your selected data.